Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room and Happy New Year. This is Tina Gale and I'm here to share the 3 add-on kits available to coordinate with your Flavors of the Month kit. So there is a cardstock add-on, a pattern paper add-on, and an embellishment add-on. You can add on 1, 2, or all 3. You can also check out the Shots of Life kit because it coordinates with your Flavors of the Month, and it's a perfect way to add more embellishments and patterned paper to your kit. So if you missed seeing the Flavors of the Month reveal, there'll be a link at the end of this video, so be sure to check it out, as well as the Shots of Life reveal. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at the 3 add-ons available for your Flavors of the Month. The Cardstock add-on gives you 3 additional cardstocks for each one of the 4 collections. So you'll receive 2 of one color and 1 of the other. You can see here how well they match up to the collections, and also kind of what colors you're working with this month and what could play with other collections. So don't be afraid to mix and match with the collections. So starting with the Great Outdoors, you'll receive 1 sheet of Bumblebee and 2 sheets of Mandarin. For the Notting Hill Bookstore, you'll receive 1 sheet of Citrus and 2 sheets of Hibiscus. For Simple Stories Hearth and Home, you're going to receive 1 sheet of Rust and 2 sheets of Mustard. And then for Vicki Boutin's Fernwood, you're going to get 1 sheet of Bahama and 2 sheets of Blush. That gives you lots of options for more backgrounds for layouts because you receive plenty of pattern paper, so you can create even more layouts, matting your photos. You can do some die cuts with a digital die cutter or a manual die cutter and dies to create embellishments. Lots of options for your cardstock. The pattern paper add-on gives you 2 additional pattern papers for each one of the 4 collections. So lots more options to play with. So for Doodlebug, Great Outdoors, you get this paper called Wild Things, and it has all of the critters from this collection. Super cute. The back is a star print in a multicolor blue. We have this one called Bits of Nature, and it's all the different leaves and acorns. The back is a yellow, and it's a cross or plus sign, tone on tone. For Notting Hill Bookstore from Photoplay Paper, we have this one called Reading List. It has a navy blue grid design in the back, and then lots of icons that you see throughout this collection. So the books with the kitty cat, the coffee cups, the shelves with all of the books. The back is a multicolored stripe, so you'll see all of the colors from this collection. Then this paper called My Library, which is the library bookshelves with all of the books and the vases. The back is a cut apart, so we have tags up at the top. There's no friend as loyal as a book, just one more chapter. We have the 3x4 cut aparts. I always love the library cards, and so there's one included here. We have the tablet, which has a book page coming off. That's kind of cute. A reader lives 1,000 lives before he dies. And then we also have this one down here, which is a full border all the way across of the books on the shelf with the little plant and the vases. From Simple Stories, Hearth and Home, we have a beautiful floral print. This paper is called Bless Us. The back is a yellow, and it has the 4 little dots making the triangle. This paper called Welcome Home. This one's going to be a hard choice because I love the letter boards and just the little quotes and sayings. And this is also a perfect paper to go through and read to get ideas of what photos to scrapbook. But the back is this beautiful wood grain. So I don't know about you, but that one's going to be a hard choice. Then from Vicki Boutin's Fernwood collection, we have this beautiful floral print. Look how well that looks with that wood grain too. This paper is called Flora and Fauna. The back is this gorgeous print. Kind of looks like that wallpaper print. Dark pink. Full branding strip of those blue flowers. Then we have this paper, which is the 3x4 cut apart. Again, we have a library card, which I love. The little notebook paper on the clipboard, florals, the butterflies, such wonderful things surround you. A world as beautiful as this. We have this one that has the letters and the pen. A little globe with the mushrooms and butterflies. The back is a mixed media print with the dark blue to gray. Super cute. So lots of pattern paper options. So one more look at both sides here. So be sure to get the pattern paper added on to your flavors of the month. The embellishment add-on is our third add-on, and of course it's a must. I love lots of embellishing. To start with, from the Doodlebug Great Outdoors collection, your embellishment is a roll of washi tape. So I got the orange plaid. This is called Campfire Plaid. From the Photo Play paper, Notting Hill Bookstore, you're going to receive the die cuts. And these will vary, but I have like a reading log and different tabs, a tag, and some words, a banner that says read. So even though they vary, you'll get about this amount and this type of embellishment. From the Simple Stories Hearth and Home, you're going to receive this die cut pack. So these are awesome. These are called their Simple Pages. There are 16 pieces. They give you an example on the back of how you can use their templates and decorate the pages with them. So that's an idea of how you could do your clusters, but of course you can use them any way that you like. So they always give you a really large title that I love for pages, some icons, and then usually some little phrases that you could also add in. So there are houses and flowers and birds, just gorgeous. And then from Vicki Boutin's Fernwood, you're going to receive half of the Puffy Phrases. So these will vary. You'll get this sheet or the other one. Lots of words in the script and a print as well. And some little icons and bits and pieces. I love that Vicki just crams it full. We have all these little dots in different colors, some little stars and hearts. We even have a little leaf and the arrows that she's so known for. So that is a look at your embellishment add-on. One more look at the 3 add-ons available to coordinate with your flavors of the month. Don't forget to check out that Shots of Life that coordinates as well and can give you more pattern paper and embellishments. Check out all the other kits available in the store as well as individual items. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see your projects in the new year.